Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Let's start with an Android. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Now on OnePlus, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow all and whatever you want to in those pop-ups. Finally, you can tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. Then, when you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then to continue, select Got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on OnePlus. Close and add. Allow camera access in this pop-up and then point your OnePlus camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And when you finished, tap on the Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close or Adds. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!